Good morning to all of you. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering. Policy and Management, Part 2. Environmental Working Group. In order to implement the program, you will need to set up an environmental working group for the hotel. The role of its members within it will be to inform, support, and motivate the entire staff. How you achieve this will depend very much on the size of your hotel and the staff assigned to the task. Hotels assign various names to their environmental working groups, such as the Green Team or Responsible Business Committee. It is an idea to invite the members of the group or the staff to suggest what the group should be called so that they feel involved in the process. Appointing a champion. The program will need a figurehead or champion who is both deeply committed to the program and a good communicator so that they can deliver the message clearly. Ensure that all employees understand how the policy affects them and inspire them to take action. The role of Sustainability Champion. The champion is likely to be the best person to chair the meetings of the environmental working group or committee. He or she should possess a good operational knowledge of the business, have the respect of fellow staff, a commitment to the project, and full support from the general manager. The coordinator will implement the policy, ensure that objectives are set, keep the program moving forward, encourage everyone to get involved, supervise the auditing of targets, collate information and ideas. Membership of the group. The environmental working group should include a representative from each of your key departments like engineering, housekeeping, food and beverage, stewarding, purchasing, laundry and guest relations, hotels, as well as the hotel's training manager, if you have one, or the person who is responsible for induction and training. Other people can be brought in on an ad hoc basis as required. The role of representatives. Set a positive example concerning environmentally begin use of resources. Help identify solutions to any immediate environmental problems. Ensure that appropriate suggestions from staff are put into effect. Agree with departmental staff the setting of objectives and targets. Work with the champion to review current practices, act to achieve objectives, and audit the results of the program. Conducting an environmental review. The next major step is to carry out a thorough environmental review of your operations. This should address the main environmental impacts of your hotel, based on the input and output assessment and the opportunities for reducing them. You will need to consider issues surrounding energy, including sourcing and use, water, consumption, quality, and wastewater management. Waste, including reuse, recycling, and disposal. Purchasing and supply chains. Chemicals and other hazardous materials, use, storage, and disposal. Refurbishment activities and care of the grounds. Compliance with environmental regulations, local, regional, or national legislation that apply to your operation. The impact of the hotel on your local community, wildlife habitats, and the landscape. Air, indoor air quality, air emissions, noise. Food safety. What is Key Issue Review Table? key issue review table be adapted or used as it is in order to assess your current status. The table identifies 100 key issues. Each action successfully implemented on each key issue counts as 1 point. Once the review is complete, you will be able to rate the hotel on its environmental performance as a percentage of 100. The table will allow larger hotel groups to compare performance across different hotels. Smaller organizations will also find the rating system useful to assess their progress. We stop here now in Policy and Management Part 2, which has further 2 more parts. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more training contents. Thank you.